Very good morning to all students. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well. Okay, so in the last class yesterday we completed chapter number 5, a book exercise, and now we are going to start the new chapter of chapter number 6 of English grammar, the simple present and present continuous tenses. Okay, tenses it means जो भी हम वर्क कर रहे हैं पास्ट में, फ्यूचर में या फिर प्रेजेंट में, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेंसेस वी कैन कॉल इन हिंदी दैट काल. Okay, so simple present tense it means now what are you doing without using any helping verb or whatever. Okay, so today we learn only the simple present, and tomorrow in the next lecture we learn the simple present continuous tenses. Okay, so let's get started. Be ready with your textbook. The words or group or words in color are the simple present tenses. Underline are the present continuous tenses. The simple word it means think, come, go. That means without using any ing or any tenses or any of the other and any of the other form of the verb, that is called simple present tense. Okay, when we talk about present, we use the we use the simple present tense to describe what happens regularly or facts in general and what we use at the regularly work. Okay, such as example, I drink milk every morning. Okay, I drink milk every morning. Drink is a verb. When we use verb ing, it became present continuous tense, but we don't go move forward the continuous tense. We only learn present simple tense. The present simple tense it means a simple word, simple form of verb is called simple present tense. One more example given here on the page number 22. Sheila and Amit go to the park together. Go it means simple form of verb. We add s for the third person singular. We add एस फॉर द थर्ड पर्सन. जब हम तीसरे की बात करेंगे तब हम एस लगाएंगे. द सेम वेदर पैटर्न अकर्स एवरी समर. ठीक है, थर्ड पर्सन एवरी समर. ठीक है, तो वी अकर्स. शी बिलीव्स इन इट. ओके, थर्ड पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं अपन, तो अपने आप की मतलब इट मीन्स. ओके, सो टर्न द पेज. Note some spellings rules when we add s. ठीक है, सिंगुलर एस इट मीन्स वी कैन मूव एट अस प्लूरल मेक. ओके, प्लूरल हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ा था, मेकिंग नाउन्स प्लूरल व्हेन वी पुट आई ई एस, वी ई एस. ओके, एस एंड ई एस. ओके, व्हेन द नाउन इज एंडिंग विथ वाई वी पुट आई ई एस. सप्लाईज, कैंडी, कैंडीज. इफ द वर्ड ends in s, double s, ch, sh या x or z, we put es over there. Okay, and we put es on the end. That means वो जो भी अगर वोवेल पे end हो रहा है, it means on that place also we use es in the ending. ay, ey, oy, uy we put s over there. Okay, and when a word ends with double o we put s, such as example moo, moose, zoo, zoos. Okay, I hope you understand the first part of this chapter, that what is simple present tense. In the next lecture we learn what is present continuous tense. Okay students, I hope you learn this I hope you understand this chapter or first part, and in the next lecture we do the another part of this chapter. Okay, bye.